everyone. In this video, we are learning how to ask how much in Mandarin Chinese. This is a useful phrases when shopping or dining in China. To ask how much, you can use the phrases 多少钱? Once again, 多少钱? For example, if you are buying something at a market, you can point to the item and ask 这个多少钱? Once again, 这个多少钱? Which means how much is this? If you want to be more specific, you can say, for example, 一斤苹果多少钱? Once again, 一斤苹果多少钱? Which means how much is a half kilo of apples? Master these phrases will make your shopping and dining experience in China much easier. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you!